Hi, grade 2 pupils. I welcome you all to our lesson today. Our lesson is environmental activities. Pupils, still we are in animals, and today we are going to have a look on useful animals. Pupils, useful animals, these are animals that are very, very, very important to us as human beings. Pupils, for example, I want you I want you to tell your friend some of the useful animals you know, or you can ask yourself some of the useful animals you know. I'm keeping quiet. I give you 1 minute. You tell yourself or your friend or your parent who is closer to you some of the useful animals you know. One, two, three, start. Very good pupils. I can see and I can hear some of you are saying goat, sheep, cow, hen, donkey, camel. Clap for yourselves. Very good. MashaAllah. Number two, what do we get from these animals? Pupils, I want to assist you in answering this question. What do we get from these animals? The animals, it is the cow, hen, goat, sheep, camel, and many others. For example, the animals we keep at home are useful to us. Cows give us milk and meat. If you look pupils at the picture, that is a cow, and the cow is grazing. That is a cow, and the cow is grazing. If you look, the cow is grazing green grass. You have to give your animals food, that's grass, media grass, animal feed, and you give it water. If you look ahead, we have two products which we get from a cow. One, milk. Two, meat. So a cow is very useful because it gives us milk and meat. Some animals give us wool and meat. Example, we have sheep. A sheep, if you look at the picture, that is a sheep. The sheep, pupils, that's a sheep. The sheep gives us wool. If you look there is a person there who is cutting wool from that sheep. Pupils, the cutting of wool from sheep is called shearing. Shearing. What is shearing, pupils? Shearing is the cutting of wool from sheep. Shearing spells SHEARING. Good. Shearing. Also, another product we get from sheep is mutton. Mutton is M-U-T-T-O-N. Pupils, mutton is a meat from sheep. The meat of a sheep, people have said, is known as mutton. Next, we have what we call poultry, gives us eggs and meat. Pupils, poultry is a collective word. It involves ducks, hens, geese. That's why we say poultry. Poultry, we have a hen. A hen, if you look properly, that is a picture of a hen. And from a hen pupils, we get two products. Product number one is meat. Product number two, pupils, is eggs. All of us, we like eggs. Eggs and meat, we call them body building foods. Body building foods, they make our bodies to grow big, big, big. Pupils, duck, turkey, and the chicken give us eggs and the meat. We also eat fish. Pupils, if you look at the plate, what is contained in the plate is fish. Fish also is very important to our body. Pupils, fish is body building. Some animals give us skin and hide. Pupils, I want you to look at the word skin. Skin. And look at the word hide. Pupils, there is a difference between hide and skin. We get skin from small animals like goats. But from big animals like a cow, a bull, a camel, we get hide. Hide is, if you get the hide is big compared to the skin. The skin and hides are used to make leather shoes, belts, and bags. Pupils, we move further. We have bees. Bees, they are very small animals. They look like insects, but they are very useful to us because they give us honey. They give us honey. Next, pupils is some animals are used for digging by pulling the plow. I say the plow is a chamber that is used by farmer to dig. If you look at the picture properly, pupils, you can be able to see two bulls pulling the plow. Farmers plowing using oxen. Some animals protect our clothes and the food from rats and mice. If you can look at the picture, there is a cat, and the cat is busy chasing away rats. So the cat is a useful animal because it chases away rats which can spoil our clothes and grains. Pupils, now we move to harmful animals. The moment we are through with harmful animals, we are done with today's lesson. I want you to share with your friends one on the harmful animals you know. Like me, or some of the harmful animals I know. One is the mosquito. We have bedbug bug, which is known as Bed bug, which is known as in Somali dekelo, a small animal which lives under the bed, and it is very disturbing. So number one, some animals are not useful. Some of them they spread diseases. Like if you look at the mosquito, it spreads mosquito. If you are bitten by mosquito, you suffer a disease known as malaria. And then some animals bite and they suck blood. A good example is the bed bug. Bed bug, the moment you switch off lights, you go to bed. Very disturbing. You can't sleep the whole night. You scratch your body. You scratch all over. Why? Because that is an harmful animal. It's giving you sleepless nights. Some animals eat food and the clothes. If you look at the other picture, we have rats. Rats. Rats, they are very dangerous. They eat clothes and they eat grains. Some animals make our food dirty and spread diseases. We have fleas. Fleas, they fly from toilets, from dirty places where rubbish is thrown, they land on our food. They vomit on our food, you eat the food, you become sick, you start diarrhea, you start vomiting. A very harmful animal. Another harmful animal pupils is termites. Termites, they eat balls, they eat timber. Lastly, we have a snake. Snake is a very poisonous animal. If it bites you, they will poison you and you will die. So pupils, the snake has teeth. Its teeth are called fungus. They are very dangerous. Pupils, up to that point, we come to the end of our lesson. I wish you a good day, a blessed day. Until next time, when we will be having our lesson, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.